Today we're going to be writing a tribute poem. This is step 3 in our poetry portfolio project. We've already written a cinquain, we wrote a haiku poem, and now we're going to write a tribute poem. So before I go over the guidelines for the tribute poem, I just want to point out that last week when we read My Papa's Waltz and Grape Sherbet, those are both examples of tribute poems. So My Papa's Waltz was about a boy's memory of his father. It was not a nice memory, but it was a vivid memory about his father, and we got a really good sense of his father's personality, and he focused on the memory of the bedtime ritual. And then Grape Sherbet was another tribute poem written about a father who would hold the Memorial Day barbecues and bring the whole family together because he wanted to show the family how important it was to spend time together and how he cherished his time with his family. So those are two really strong examples of tribute poems. Today you're going to write your own tribute poem, and let's go over the guidelines. So a tribute poem should have these 3 elements. You're going to create a tribute poem dedicated to someone special in your life. So be thinking about the person that you want to write about. Second, this poem should focus on a strong and unmatched personality trait from that person. So think about the person and think about their personality trait that you really want to portray and express through your poem. And then finally, in your poem, you should use at least one memory of that person. And think about a memory or a time that you spent with that person, or maybe that you know that that person had, that would really portray their personality trait and show your reader what you really think about that someone special. So those are the 3 important elements you want to focus on. So your next step is to go ahead and answer these 3 questions. Who are you going to write about? What's the personality trait you want to express? And what's the memory that you're going to include in your poem? And then I'll go over the instructions for the actual project.